Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to get approved on Klarna. So let's get into the video. So in order to get into Klarna, there are few points which you can ensure in order to get approved on Klarna. For example, one is obviously your age must be 18 years of older. So that's one thing. That's one of the one basic requirements. So another thing is your credit history. So make sure you have a positive credit history. So if you have a good credit history, then the chance of being approved is much higher. So just make sure that you don't miss or delay any payments. So just try to maintain a positive credit history, and also make sure that you don't have a lot of debt. So because having a lot of debt may affect your credit history, so that will also affect your um, history, so your credit history. So make sure, so just try to avoid having too many debts. So that will also increase the chance of your chance of being approved on Klarna. So that's another thing. And also, okay, connect your account to your bank account. So if there's option to connect your Klarna on your bank account, just do it. So if you do so, then Klarna will have a much better way to actually like access your application through your banking details. So and then Klarna will have a clear picture about your account, so that will increase your chances of being approved. So that's one option. So if you have the option to connect to bank account, then just do it. Okay, so and that one. And also sometimes the amount of your order might be too high, so that it might not get approved. So try to reduce your order, and try to reduce the amount and then try again. So these are some of the pretty basic points which you can keep in mind when you're trying to for an approval on Klarna. So see how you go, and see if it's getting approved or not. So that's pretty much it is. So I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.